What about your...
He has holes. I see my finger.
Did the Easter Bunny come here last night?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
He pooped out stuff. Mm-hmm.
What does his poop look like?
Jelly beans.
Did he leave something for you?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Toys.
Cool. What's Easter all about? Do you know? Do you remember? Is it about the Easter Bunny?
Mm-hmm.
It is? What else is it about?
Nothing else.
Remember about Jesus?
Ow.
What happened to Jesus at Easter? Thank you.
It's the basket.
What happened to Jesus at Easter?
He died.
And then what happened?
I don't know.
And then he rose from the dead? And now he's not dead anymore? Right? Yeah. Do you love Jesus? Yeah, me too.